Okay, welcome back here on SamboTimes.com, here on Late Night Show. And again, I know you're sleepy, but hold on. Stay where you are. We are still with our featured guest tonight, our chairman, Sixto Brillantes, of the Commission on Election. We came down to Mindanao, and we're really happy to have felt his presence here. Chairman, when you accepted the job as chairman of the Commission on Election, it took you some time to think it over.
Yeah, well, kasi I was about to retire already.
Was it? Did it came as a surprise?
Yeah, because Chairman Melo, who was then sitting, was not supposed to retire until 2015.
Okay.
So there was really no vacancy for the chairmanship until Chairman Melo decided to resign. So when he resigned sometime, I think December of 2010, I think the president started looking for a replacement. And he said, he was interviewing me, and I said I was really prepared to retire already. I did not want to go into government service because I've never been in government service.
I know. Yes, sir.
So I've always been in the private sector. Pero sabi niya, purbahan mo naman, you try government kasi wala na ano. We're looking for one who can have some knowledge in election. Sabi niya, since si Pinoy kasi was my client in the 2010 elections.
At that time when the president was looking for a replacement for Chairman Melo, there was nobody in the horizon.
Well, kaming dalawa, he was talking to me and to Romy Mac. Si Romy Mac.
Yeah.
Oo. Pero si Romy Mac, of course, was identified with the other side. So sabi niya, ikaw na lang. Sabi ko, isipin ko muna, sandali. Until, sabi niya, huwag na isipin, sige na, wala naman tayong pan eh. Anyway, you have been in this line of work for several years. You have the experience already. Tulungan mo na lang ako. Tulungan na natin para malinis natin ang election.
What made you accept? Dahil sa tulong?
Instead of retiring, maybe I can leave a little legacy to the country.
Okay.
Never been in government service. This is a chance for me to give something to the country.
Okay.
So sabi ko siguro na, mabuti nga. No? Anyway, I will be participating only in one election. I will be, the unexpired term of Melo would be up to 2015. So hindi na ako aabot sa 2016. Okay. 2013, the next year's election is my only election unless there's a barangay in between.
Anyway.
So sabi ko, I'll just have to make good on the 2013 midterm elections naman ito. So pinipurbahan lang natin, and I hope I will be able to leave a little legacy to the country.
Very nice. Chairman, I would like to know how do you find this new job of yours? You're there now in the middle, wherein before you are at the other side of one side of the fence.
No, I never expected this to be this kind of very tedious work on the commission. Before, when I was a practitioner of election law, I was only concerned with the cases and my clients. And ngayon, the work pala of the chairman does not cover only cases. It covers so many administrative problems. You take care of vouchers, checks. You take care of the personnel. You attend to the administrative requirements of the commission on elections. Ganito, mga registration. Ang dami palang problema. Sabi ko nga, nagkamali yata ako pagtangkap. Kala ko, relax lang ako.
But how did you feel? I mean,
well,
okay
I'm over a year now.
Oh.
I've been here for over 1 year. I assumed January of 2011. So now I've adjusted myself. Now I know that talaga palang mabigat ang trabaho. Okay lang. I think I will be able to finish with the 2013 elections. I hope that it will be as successful as the 2010 with the same automated elections coming in. So sabi ko, ang target ko lang sana, malinis lang natin ito. And one of this is really cleansing the registration here. Because armed has always been a problem.
Right.
So ngayon, ayusin na lang natin. Tignan natin kung ano mangyayari. And hopefully, basta konting tasal lang, baka sakaling maayos na and everything will be okay. All in the preparation for the May 13, 2013 elections.
aside from, I know you as a very good lawyer, law practitioner, I know a little about your person. How young is the chairman? Kailangan pa ba yun? You don't look, because of your attire, you still have sports?
Still, well, yeah, I'm already 72. No, I don't have any sports. My only exercise is I go jogging regularly. Jogging, walking, I mean, not jogging. Brisk walking.
Okay.
Brisk walking, lakad lang.
And you just did,
That's right, this morning, and then always walking down, yung mga hagdanan, quad. It's the only exercise I can, kasi I had a bypass already, heart bypass. I cannot really go into rigid workouts. Bawal na sa akin yun. Plenty of medicines to drink. Pero okay lang, napapabata.
Maintenance time, you know.
Yeah, we have so many maintenance
That's
already
how you
at
keep
age
your
70.
Keep you moving.
What keeps me moving is the problems of the commission elections.
Because you have to attend to them.
You have to
Day
attend
in,
to so
day
many
out.
problems. You don't have time to look at your,
Yes.
check on your health, except that every other day, the clinic there at the Comelec looks at my blood pressure, counts my sugar, saka yung aking cholesterol. Tine-check palagi yan. Just a matter of getting adjusted to it. No problem. So, para sa I can see. Ito lang, masarap pumunta sa labas. Like now, when I'm out of Manila, out of the main office, it's a little bit relaxing. Maski na maraming problema, pero wala masyadong paperwork kasi nandun lahat ang papel na iwanan.
Okay. Kasi pagkatapos nito, office na
Back to
naman.
Manila.
Back to the jungle city. Anyway, sir, you have also visited Lanao, right?
Yes.
So how do you find
Lanao is a little bit of a problem. In this registration, we expect it would be Lanao and Maguindanao that will have some problems. Dito sa island provinces, kasi yung landlocked itong Lanao and Maguindanao, so people can come in, mga hakot can come in. That's why we're watching the boundaries of both Lanao. Mga Lanao del Norte pumapasok, Sultan Kudarat, and somewhere beside Maguindanao pumapasok din. So this is what we're trying to control. Just to ensure na hindi makapasok yung mga illegal registrants. We are putting in so many checkpoints all over Maguindanao and Lanao. Yan ang aming kwan. Okay lang. And we have a very good commissioners who are in charge there. Commissioner Velasco in Lanao and Commissioner Lim in Maguindanao. So we expect that they will be able to tackle most of these problems.
Going back to your going around, practically you have already visited the entire armed region.
Yes.
Dahil sa ito
ngayon,
important.
I'll be finishing the armed region. After this registration, I'll be going to Visayas, cover regions 6, 7, and 8, and then go to Luzon later on, the end of the year. Marami. I'll just have to visit all of our regions because I want to meet our, the people in the lower level of the Commission on Elections.
If I may ask, Chairman, you still have time, how will you divide your time? Family, man, I know.
Wala naman. You
Okay
go
lang.
there only for weekends or weekends.
Always, see what texting, calling.
Friday, meron naman. Kompleto naman ang communications natin. So
Yes. Unlike
it's really
before.
no problem. It's just the paperwork that is left in the office when I'm out that really piles up. Pero okay lang yun. Continue working. We work actually 12 hours a day. I work at 7 o'clock in the morning up to 7 o'clock in the evening. So marami kaming nakocover. Marami ako nakocover. Especially the administrative issues.
What time do you go to bed?
Go to bed.
You still...
Usually after the news, the 10 o'clock news. So 10:30. Usually listen to the 10 o'clock news. After that, I go to sleep and wake up early about 6 o'clock. I leave my house at 6 o'clock. I'm in the office at 7.
You have time for nap? Wala na siguro.
After lunch.
After lunch.
Parang siesta ng konti.
Cat nap.
Konting siesta.
Okay. Still drinking? A little.
Which one?
Occasional. Drinking beer. Still?
Yeah. Sure. Not too much.
Smoking no more.
Smoking, I still smoke my cigar.
Yes, you have your cigar. You're very
But it's every now and then. It's not really that much. Kasi cigar naman one,
Yeah, it will
two
take
times,
you...
twice a day. okay lang.
Okay. I may ask, Mr. Chairman, if there is anybody in the world, or a leader of the world in history that you admire most, if there is any.
I don't read
That
too
you
much
might,
of history, pero when you say leaders, I don't really know. I don't really have modern. I look more to the historical leaders of the world,
Who could it be?
kings and the queens. Wala naman akong particular. I've read so many books. Talaga iba-iba eh. Iba-iba. In particular, I don't really have. Modern at best is that 60s during the time of Kennedy.
Yun.
Yun ang, kasi yun ang parang hero. The 60s was the time that I was really going into the professional life. And I was looking up to this young senator from the US who became the president, but who suddenly died.
Yes.
So it's very frustrating. Pero even the 2-year term that he had was really maraming nagawa. And he left also legacies.
They said he was a natural leader. He was leading the country with fun.
So much achievement for a very young guy.
Yeah.
That's why I actually envy him. Ako ngayon lang akong kakaroon ng achievement at the age 72.
Okay, but as an election lawyer, you consider yourself as you have reached that pinnacle already.
Well, in election law practice, very few naman kami. We're practically very limited people or election law practitioners. So, marami-raming trabaho ng kwan. Ngayon, mas marami ng konti kasi sa gobyerno pala, daming trabaho. Too much work.
Okay, so anyway, I won't hold you long, Chairman. Baka may panawagan kayo sa ating mga kababayan in the arm to go out and register and exercise their right.
The only purpose what I'm here is really to actually to ask us and ask the people of the 5 provinces of the arm to go out and register now. Just for your information, this listing that we will make during this 10-day period shall be the final listing. So those who will not be registering within this 10-day period will not be able to vote in May 2013. So you better be sure that you will be able to register now. So I actually request you and extol you to come in and start registering. This is a 10-day period. We have machines all over. So siguraduhin lang natin na makaregister na kayo. If you want to vote in 2013, you have to register now in the 5 provinces.
Okay. Sir, how do you describe a beautiful lady?
Beautiful lady?
Yeah. How do you describe her? Medyo... I know you have.
Wala akong concept. Hindi ko na masyado tinitignan ng beautiful lady.
Wala na.
Matanda na tayo.
Pero you still have that
one.
heart of a young guy, you know. Nasa puso lang daw, hindi sa edad.
Hindi ako mahilig. I've been a widower since for the last 20 years. I've never remarried. So, up to now, I'm still a widower. So, kumbaga sa kwan, nakalimutan ko na yata yung hilig.
Okay. Mr. Chairman, thank you very much for this opportunity and hope this will not be the last exchanges
thank you as well.
Ladies and gentlemen, our very own, the Chairman of the Commission on Election, Sixto Brillantes, the one and only.
Thank you.
Sir, maraming salamat.